Hello, this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful turmeric shampoo. Turmeric has many benefits on our hair, scalp. It's a wonderful antibacterial to clean the skin and also give a nutrient to the hair and the scalp. And to make this turmeric shampoo, you just need a Castile soap. And it's super easy to make. It takes you a few minutes. Just get it ready and then you can start using your own turmeric shampoo. For making the turmeric shampoo, you're gonna need a turmeric infused oil and a turmeric tincture. I have a video, just it's pretty easy to make the tincture and the infused oil. Watch that video. We'll go through step by step to show you how to make this turmeric infusion by using ADI. All you need is Castile soap. I'm using the Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. I use unscented. I have, so you're gonna need to dilute the Castile soap. Normally the ratio is from 1:1 to 1:5 based on how you use it. If you want a stronger, then you can do a 1:1 dilution. That means one part of a Castile soap and one part of the water. But today I'm using the 𝐓𝐇𝐒 with turmeric. This is mixed with a turmeric tincture, and I'm also gonna add 1 teaspoon of turmeric infused oil. But if you make like a hand wash or face wash, you can dilute more by adding more water with the Castile soap. The benefit using the Castile soap, because this is like a pure oil mixed with lye. When we make a soap, you can make a liquid soap. Then normally you use a potassium hydroxide, that lye. And if you want to make a soap bar, like last video, you gotta use the sodium hydroxide lye. That make a big difference. So it's a pretty straightforward, and you just need a measuring cup and a bottle for the shampoo we make. I have this is a 16 ounce, the bottle with a little, the pump, so easy to use. 16 ounce. So add 8 ounce of the liquid soap first. First, I'm adding my the hydrosol mixed with tincture, and then mix the rest with the 𝐓𝐇𝐒 hydrosol. Before I add up to the 16 ounce, I added the 1 tablespoon the infused oil. This infused oil is perfect for our hair, so it will help protect the scalp and the hair when we wash hair. And then mix up to 16 ounce. Give a good stirring before bottle it. Thank you for watching. If you feel it's helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, become a member. This is Dr. Leo. See you next time.